It does fuck you up. Oh, I'm playing with a shitty mouse right now. I should actually cook it in once, but since I don't know, I did it on two. I don't know that much about this crafting and all this stuff. Usually don't know a lot of it. The only things that I know is that's why I'm still there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Anything else up here? Whoa, big gibbo, big gibbo. Oh shit, big gibbo. Oh, no, 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 no. Better stay up. Up, get up, get up. Nope. Fuck, there's too many mobs over here. Is there any equal down there? No, actually, kill them. Sorry, y'all cannot fit here. No, get out, get out. Oh shit. Wait, the small equals do stuff too, cause slime balls, okay. Where's the spider? Oh, there he is. He's actually climbing that shit. The small ones do something to you. They actually don't. Wow, they're friendly. Cool. My friend said don't trust the hippos, and like not even small, not even those, and like yep, not even those. Oh, what the heck? Oh no 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 no! Whoa! You have to fight me in here. I hope they don't come. I actually got a bow from one of them. That's cool. They drop rotten flesh. My friend says it's cool eating rotten flesh. For people, y'all tell me if it's cool eating rotten flesh, if it helps or if it doesn't help. Because my friend says it helps, but I don't feel like if it does help. So please leave in a comment, saying if it does help or not. Because for me being my first time playing this, my buddies can just trick me, saying like this and that. So if y'all don't mind helping me how to play, I will be really grateful. Just telling me stuff that I don't need. Get some food in here. I actually don't. Oh, I might keep the rotten flesh because my friend says keep a flesh at all times. It might help you. I don't go by that. I think friend might trick me or something, but if they're not tricking me and y'all think it is better, let me get a crafting bench at me at all times. Wait, do I have cobble? Yes, I do cobble. Okay. Awesome. Oh, it's daytime. Whoops.